At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. In this video, we showcase our sanitary design solutions featuring Indu-Crete MT system that interlocks with shielded curbs. In order to obtain a proper profile, we are using a shot blaster to mechanically prep the surface, then hand grind around doorways and drains. This project was 3,100 square feet with multiple rooms, a hallway, and 450 lineal feet of coping. Our 1/4 inch MT system shown at the beginning was used for this completion. At Indue, we focus not only on quality but also our efficiencies. This project was completed within 3 working days with our MT-S1 system. Indue honors all control joints with a 2-component polyurea joint filler. Here's our vertical wall systems interlocking with the existing shielded curbs. After proper cure time, our top coat is applied. Indue's final product after a recent washdown.